I personally invest a lot in AI and machine learning companies, simply because that's my space that I've spent a lot of time in. And what excites me is to see all the applications of AI technology to different verticals. Now that we have this new technology available, you suddenly can bring solutions to the market that are really effective and really help customers. Hi everybody, I'm Andreas Goeldi. I'm a partner at B2B Partners Digital Tech Fund, and I'm a venture capital investor. I'm personally a huge fan of innovation of all kinds, and in the first part of my career I basically enjoyed that fact as an entrepreneur, and now in my second career I really enjoy fostering and supporting young entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurial teams with their respective projects. I personally believe that the fit between founder and market is really essential. So founding teams that really understand their market deeply and deeply care about their problem that they are trying to solve for their customers is really essential at this early stage. We typically look at founders' backgrounds, we have in-depth conversations with them, we talk to reference customers, to other people they have worked with to really deeply understand how they look at their market, why they ended up with their idea that they're trying to pursue. What a lot of people underestimate is how important diversity in a team is. And I don't mean that in a politically correct sense, I really mean that as a cold, hard business reason. The right mix of people in a founding team and an early stage executive team is really crucial. And I mean this in terms of backgrounds, of genders, of nationalities, and especially of skill sets, of course. We are going to see the necessity for VCs to differentiate their value proposition a lot more, of specializing into certain industries, into well beyond stages and geography, really into specialization on certain topics where they have credibility. I think the special place that Liechtenstein has within Europe will enable a category of startups that is probably quite unique in this ecosystem. So it's an interesting place. It's still relatively a small market, of course, but a very active scene now, so definitely very optimistic. I personally invest a lot in AI and machine learning companies, simply because that's my space that I've spent a lot of time in. And what excites me is to see all the applications of AI technology to different verticals. Now that we have this new technology available, you suddenly can bring solutions to the market that are really effective and really help customers get much, much more efficient. I was privileged enough to be invited to give a workshop already about my background in entrepreneurship. So I think it's very rewarding to share some of these experiences, and it's also very rewarding to see an ecosystem like Liechtenstein evolve now. So I think it's really surprising that a region like this, that probably you wouldn't necessarily associate with entrepreneurship if you hear about it, is now already very well advanced in fostering this environment for young entrepreneurs.
Thank you very much for watching this video, and I really hope that you were able to learn two things. Number one, how investors look at startups, and number two, the investor's perspective on the next 10 years in venture capital. And there's a few more videos within this video series, but there's a lot of more videos all about startups and venture capital on my channel. Make sure you go and have a look and watch another video. Thank you so much, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.